At One Stop Decorating, we work with Hunter Douglas to do many different types of window coverings on different shapes or styles of windows. People oftentimes ask us a lot about arched windows or angled windows or skylights, bay windows, things that might be difficult to go to the store and find something to put on those windows. We do a lot of honeycomb shades in those situations because they can be custom cut to any size. However, the drawback is that they don't open or close. They're a stationary treatment in there, so we have to be careful when selecting room darkening fabric or light filtering fabric because it's just like blocking the window completely. One of the other things we do a lot of in those specialty situations are custom shutters. Shutters, because they don't have a headrail at the top, can really be done in just about any unique shape that you can imagine and still have operable louvers. Really, those two treatments are the best ones for odd-shaped windows or different function style windows. And we really work with our clients to determine, do they want an operable window covering in that specialty shaped window, or do they want something that's going to be stationary over time? A lot of people like to have their skylights covered because skylights are a major source of heat in a home. When the sun gets directly overhead late in the afternoon, it can really heat up your window. And we typically suggest putting a nice honeycomb shade up there because it is the most energy efficient. They make it in a nice track so that it doesn't kind of slump down on you. It sits and works beautifully within the track. And we oftentimes automate those based on the time of year. They're hard to reach and they can come with a handle so that you can slide them open and close, but most skylights are typically high enough that you can't reach them. So we'll automate those. They have lithium batteries, they have solar panel charging now to be able to keep them charged up. And we can also do room darkening or light filtering in those skylights. We also have shutters that could choose to use a wood shutter or a faux wood shutter in a skylight. We've mounted those in a skylight and we've used catch clasps to keep it from opening and falling down, but it really offers you a treatment that will help block some of the light, or you could even use a pole with the rubber tip to tilt them open and closed. Our Palm Beach polysatin shutters are offered in motorized, so we can actually mount those in a skylight and motorize them so that you can automate them tilting open and closed. We found when we look at specialty shaped windows or skylights that there really isn't a standard sized one. Those are all pretty much custom made in the home. They curve the drywall or curve the wood around them. The skylights are always varying sizes, so they're very difficult to find something stationary that would work. 99.9% of everything we do in these specialty windows or these skylights is going to be completely custom made within 1/8 of an inch of the size of your opening.